Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to check if your Oppo phone is original or fake. Now there are a few methods to check if your Oppo phone is original or fake. For the first method, just open settings, then tap on about device. From here, tap on status, and from here you will find the IMEI numbers of your smartphone. And from here, just compare the IMEI numbers on the screen to the IMEI numbers which is given on your smartphone's box, and make sure they are both the same. Now, if you cannot find the IMEI numbers in the settings of your smartphone, just go to your home screen and open the dialer app. Now from here, just dial *#06#, and from here you will find the IMEI numbers of your smartphone. For the second method, just open the dialer app. Now from here, just dial *899#, and from here you will be able to test the hardware of your smartphone. Now this code only works on Oppo phones, and it might not work on other smartphones or fake Oppo phones. And from here, if you tap on manual test, and from here you will be able to test the hardware of your smartphone, like the touchscreen, the fingerprint sensor, and all the other sensors on your smartphone. Just like that. And for the third method, just open the web browser app on your smartphone. Then in the search bar, just search this. Now in this website, just tap on the three lines over here. Then tap on support. And on this page, you will find the option of authenticity and activation date inquiry. Just tap on it. Now in this section, just enter the IMEI numbers or the serial number of your smartphone. To get the IMEI number, just go to your home screen and open the dialer app. Now just dial *#06#, and from here just copy the IMEI number of your smartphone. After that, just go back to the web browser app and paste the copied IMEI number over here. Then tap on check. Now just complete this verification process. And from here, it will give you the details of your smartphone. And from here, just check if the details of your smartphone over here are correct. Like it will give you the name and the model of the smartphone with the storage version, and it will also show the color of your smartphone with the activation date. And make sure that all the data which is shown on the screen are accurate to your smartphone. And this is how you can check if your Oppo phone is original or fake. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.